Try to find it. Plastic shows dash property, hence it can be molded to any shape. Plasticity. Motor cars are coated with dash. Teflon. Thermocol melts at dash degree Celsius. More than 100. Dash glass dissolves in water. Alkali silicate. Who is my partner? Lead glass. Electric bulb. Bakelite. Electric switch. Thermocol. Plates. Optic glass. Lens. Polypropylene. Matrices. Answer the following. Thermocol is produced from which material? Thermocol is made from polystyrene, which is also a complex thermoplastic substance. Right uses of PVC. PVC or polyvinyl chloride is used for making bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable insulation, furniture, ropes, toys, etc. Write the natural or man-made raw material of the following items: mattress, glass vessel, bangle, chair, gunny bag, broom, knife, pen. Items: natural raw material, man-made raw materials. Mattress, natural raw material, cotton, coir, jute fibers. Man-made raw materials, polypropylene. Beaker, man-made raw materials, glass, silicate or borosilicate glass. Bangle, natural raw material, gold, silver, black, copper. Man-made raw materials, plastic, glass. Chair, natural raw material, wood. Man-made raw materials, plastic, PVC. Gunny bag, natural raw material, jute, cotton. Man-made raw materials, plastic, PVC. Broom, natural raw material, plant fibers. Man-made raw materials, plastic fibers, PVC. Knife, natural raw material, metals such as iron. Man-made raw materials, plastic. Pen, natural raw material, metals. Man-made raw materials, plastic. Which are the main ingredients of glass? The main ingredients of glass are sand and silica. How the plastic is produced? Plastics are derived from natural materials such as natural gas, oil, coal, minerals, and plants. The first synthetic plastics were derived from cellulose, a substance found in plants and trees. This cellulose was heated with chemicals and resulted in a plastic-like material. In modern times, the different raw materials are used for making plastics, but most plastics are made from the hydrocarbons present in the natural gas, oil, and coal. Plastics are simply chains of like molecules linked together. These chains are called polymers. Thus, many plastics begin with poly, such as polythene, polystyrene, and polypropylene. These polymers are made of carbon and hydrogen and sometimes oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, phosphorus, or silicon. Plastic is produced in factories by suitable chemical reactions. Distinguish between man-made material and natural material. Man-made material and natural material. The man-made materials are obtained from processes in scientific laboratory. Natural materials are obtained from nature. Man-made materials are subjected to rigorous processing to alter the material for serving the intended purpose. Natural materials are subjected to less treatment and processing. Man-made materials are typically much more durable, having a very long lifespan. Natural materials have shorter lifespan because these materials were once alive and so gradually perish over time. Maintaining man-made materials require less care and attention. Maintaining natural materials requires lots of care and continuous attention. Man-made materials can have a negative environmental impact because they are not sustainable. For example, glass, plastic, thermocol, soil, metals, rubber. Natural materials do not have a negative environmental impact because they can be degraded easily. For example, cotton, silk, wood. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. The plastic that can be molded as per our wish is called thermoplastic. The plastic in which a specific shape is given with the help of mold and this shape cannot be changed again on heating is called thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic substances can be recycled and used. For example, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, PS, polystyrene, PE. Polythene and PP, polypropylene, are types of thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastic cannot be reused again. For example, bakelite, melamine, polyurethane, and polyester are the types of thermosetting plastics. Answer the following in your own words. Explain the effect and remedial plans of following materials on environment and human health. Plastic, glass, thermocol. Plastic. Plastic is non-degradable substance. Hence, if thrown in any ecosystem, it remains unchanged for many years. It is one of the worst environmental pollutants as its disposal is a major problem. If thrown in water bodies, it affects the aquatic animals. Many of turtles mistake it for algae and eat the plastic. Eventually, such animals die due to choking. In terrestrial environment, the grazing animals like cattle are affected due to plastic. If burnt, it emits very toxic gases. In landfill sites, it remains unchanged for thousands of years. Glass. The glass production is carried out at high temperatures of about 1500 degrees Celsius. This burning emits many hazardous gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide. These gases cause the greenhouse effect. Moreover, glass being non-degradable cause pollution. If broken glass pieces or any waste glass material is disposed into aquatic environment, it affects animals and plants. Similarly, glass pieces block the drainages. The waste glass thrown anywhere cause injury to terrestrial fauna. Thermocol. Thermocol contains carcinogenic ingredients in the form of styrene. There is prolonged contact with thermocol. There is a possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. Thermocol is non-degradable. It cannot be degraded into harmless substances easily. If it is burned for destruction, it releases toxic gases in atmosphere. The plates and cups used for food, water, tea, etc. are made up of thermocol. This may affect the health. Preheating the food kept in thermocol releases styrene. This styrene may dissolve in that food, causing health problems like cancer. Which measures will you arrange to minimize the environmental problems arising due to non-degradable plastic? The use of plastic should be minimum. Reducing the consumption, reusing the same plastic again and again, recycling the used plastic, and making some new products from the used plastic are some of the measures that can be adopted. There are attempts to use plastic in making roads. Therefore, plastic is bought with good price at some places. Therefore, instead of disposing of it anywhere, it should be collected and sold in best possible way. The better alternatives for plastic should be adopted. The awareness programs about misuse of plastic should be arranged so that common man can understand the dangers of using plastic. Write short notes. Glass production. The general preparation of the glass is as follows. Mixture of sand, soda, lime and small quantity of magnesium oxide is heated in furnace at 1700 degrees Celsius. Sand or silicon dioxide melts. To make the mixture melt at lesser temperature, pieces of discarded glasses are added to it. This addition makes the mixture to melt at lesser temperature of 850 degrees Celsius. When all the ingredients of mixture are liquefied, then again it is heated up to 1500 degrees Celsius. This heating is immediately followed by cooling. The sudden cooling causes the mixture to become homogeneous, amorphous and transparent instead of crystalline. For variety of glass types, different proportions of ingredients are used for heating. Optic glass. Optic glass or optical glass needs to be very clear and transparent as it is used in spectacles, lenses and other devices like microscopes. Optic glasses are produced from the mixture of sand, soda, limestone, barium oxide and boron. Uses of plastic. Plastic, the man-made material, is used in various forms in modern age. According to the type of plastic, its uses are different. Thermoplastic materials are used for manufacturing following articles. Polyvinyl chloride or PVC is used to make bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable insulation, furniture, ropes, toys, etc. Polystyrene is used in making thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances like refrigerators, gears of machines, toys, protective coverings like covers of CD and DVD, etc. Polythene, PE, plastics are used for making milk bags, packing bags, flexible garden pipes, etc. Polypropylene, PP, is used in making parts of loudspeakers and vehicles, roofs, mattresses, laboratory appliances, etc. Thermosetting plastic is used in the manufacturing of the following items: bakelite for making cabinets of radio, TV, telephones, electric switches, toys, plastic handles of cookers, etc. Melamine for making domestically useful items like cup saucers, plates, tray, some spare parts of airplane engines, electric and sound insulating coverings, etc. Polyurethane in making surfing boards, small boats, furniture, seats in vehicles, etc. Polyester in fiberglass, toners of laser printers, textile industry, etc. Think about it. Why are the plastic tanks used for storage of chemicals? Plastic is non-corrosive. It is comparatively non-reactive and it does not decompose. Moreover, the plastic containers are easier for handling. They are lighter and unbreakable. Hence, the plastic tanks are used for storage of chemicals. Why most of domestically useful items are replaced by plastic? Plastic is lighter and unbreakable. The handling thus becomes easier. It is non-corrosive. Hence, pickles, spices, etc. can be stored in plastic containers. It is cheaper as compared to the metal and glass articles. Thus, it becomes popular with general public. It is easier to wash and maintain the plastic articles. These are some of the reasons of making plastic a domestically useful material. Can you recall all the used up and thrown away carry bags, water bottles, milk bags recycled? The plastic waste is collected by the kabadiwala or sweepers. They sell these articles to the recycling units. In recycling units, the recycling of some of the plastic items is done. This leads to formation of plastic of low quality which may be used in making some newer plastic items. Which material is wrapped around the items of glass or similar material during transport to prevent from breaking up? The plastic bubble wrap or thermocol is used to protect fragile items from the shocks and breaks during their transport.